What does this mean? This doesn't feel right. This is not something I remember. This door seems bigger from what I remember. What does this mean? That little bird must be scared and lost too.
If anything dares to jump me, I'll kick your asses off. I will not waver. Do you think your little fangs will hurt me?
You were so brave.
Oh, I'm sorry. I startled you. It's been years since I last saw a human being.
Hey, what's your name?
Anthony.
It's alright now. Let's see. Did the bad wolves hurt you anywhere?
Big sister, can we go already?
Okay, which way do we go?
Curses! Curses you! Curse you, undomesticated dogs!
Wait!
Who did you... Years. Is that why you know there was a cliff here? Have you been wandering around this forest for years?
A monster. It will awaken soon. We must go.
What?
The key. Darkness. That's its weakness.
What? Huh? How? I mean, it produces light.
I've seen that monster many times. Its chest is always bare, but it covers it when it goes to sleep. Light gives us strength. It helps us fight our fear. We need lamps before going to sleep because we're scared, but not that. That's a monster. It doesn't need to be afraid of the dark.
Well then, how do you know that's the monster's weakness?
Run away! I found a way to defeat the monster!
Oh.
It may have not been perfect, but your journey so far has surely been filled with great experiences. Some may be gentle, some may be sweet, others may have been harsh, but overall, they all lead towards a greater future.
This is one massive lake. I don't see the edges anymore. And what's with these waves? No, this can't be happening. I've come so far. It's too dark. Anthony? After all this time, hope has been within reach. But I just couldn't see it. Even when there's despair, even when there's fear, even in the darkest of times, you're always here with me.
Here we are. Are you ready to go home?
I am now.